Hey YouTube land, alright, we're heading to Talimena Scenic Highway in southeastern Oklahoma. We're going to go out for the fall foliage, too many F's. And we will be doing a little bit of droning, getting some pictures. It's supposed to be one of the top areas in Oklahoma for like a fall leaf change. So I'm sure it'll be pretty nice. I've already seen a couple pictures from other people. And it is cold as all get out. 48 degrees. Not windy though, luckily. And yeah, more to come. Alright, hello YouTube land. We just finished up the, what is the official name? The Stairway Recreation Area. Winding Stairs Recreation Area, there we go. Which is the Talimena Scenic Byway, and beautiful. Although I think we're early by about 1 to 2 weeks. Also, one thing to remember is the Talihina Fall Foliage Festival is the last week of October, if anyone is interested in that. And it was pretty packed. Anything that you saw?
I agree. It was a little bit busy. There was several groups of motorcyclists,
bikers, car
and
enthusiasts.
Yes, like car clubs, and there were also a few bicyclists, which was a bit stressful at times because
they're going very slow on a highway that is 55 or faster.
But other than that, I thought it was really nice. I do agree that we maybe hit it just a little early, but there are still plenty of color changes to see.
Yeah. All right, well, until next time.